First off, I want to say thank you to Quaternius for the great models that he has created and shared with everyone. They brought my project along much faster. That said, they're not quite ready for my uses. So today, we're going to import some FBX models by Quaternius. I think it's meant to rhyme with Quaternion. And start with this one. Import. We want to get rid of our light. X to delete. All right, so we've got our traffic light and it's all one piece. It's all one mesh. First thing to do is tab into edit mode, and then with all of it selected, press P for separate and start with buy loose parts. That gets us these. So this one we're going to call the green hood, and click on that to make that active. This one we're going to call the yellow hood. And then this one is the red hood. This is the pole. Now, going even further, we can start with red since it's already selected. Over here, press P. This time, select those by material. And that leaves us with the red hood. Blink in, blink out. That's backwards, I know, my bad. And then this is our red bulb. Same thing for yellow. Click in here to make that the active part. And then over here we press P, separate by material. And this is our yellow bulb. Blink, and then fix the name. And then lastly, green by material, green bulb. And then just because I want to modify this for mine, we'll go ahead and separate the body as well for this video. So going to the pole, making it active, same thing over again, P to separate and by material, and that will give us this faceplate that is separate and apart from the rest of the pole. And now, I guess, you know what? Since we're here, and I want to specifically operate on this part up here, let me show you guys how to do that. And now, P, separate selection, and this is the box. So that's the box. Faceplate, hood, 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 and then from top to bottom, red, yellow, green. Cool, cool, cool. We have to A, there we go. Got everything. And then File, Export, FBX, Selected Objects, Apply Transform, Export FBX.